Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make a tasty, healthy Indian style side dish at home. Dal makhani is a famous dish from the Punjabi cuisine. It is cooked with whole black lentils and red kidney beans, which are rich sources of protein, fiber and minerals. In this recipe, you are going to see how to make dal makhani in a healthier way. So let's get started with the recipe. I am taking 1 cup of black urad dal and 1/4 cup of rajma or red kidney beans. The star ingredient of this recipe is black whole lentils, that is black urad dal. It has a very high protein value than most of the legumes and is an excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamin B complex and many more minerals. Rajma is also highly nutritious and it gives a wonderful consistency to our curry. Let's add them together in a bowl. Add some water and wash and rinse the dal well. Drain the water from the bowl and let the dal soak in water for overnight or at least 6 to 7 hours. I have soaked it overnight. Now in the morning you can see the dal is well soaked and puffed up. Let's transfer the dal and rajma to a pressure cooker. Drizzle in 1 teaspoon of oil and half teaspoon of salt. Cover it with a lid and let's pressure cook for 6 to 7 whistles and simmer the heat for 10 more minutes. Once the pressure goes off, let's open the lid. Now you can see the dal and rajma are cooked soft. You can check it by mashing the dal with finger. If required, cook for few more minutes or until the dal is cooked soft. Let's proceed to make the masala. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add the whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon and half teaspoon of peppercorns. Allow the spices to splutter for a few seconds and then add finely grated onions. For healthier version, I am using oil, but in the traditional recipe, butter or ghee will be used. Let's cook the onion in medium heat until it turns light brown. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Cook for a minute or until the raw smell goes away. Next, add the tomato puree. I have taken 3 tomatoes and mashed to puree. Stir well until the puree mixes good. I am adding in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1½ teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin powder and half teaspoon of pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon of hing and salt to taste. Also you can add half teaspoon of sugar and it gives that extra flavor. Mix the masala well and let it cook in medium heat. Let's add some coriander leaves for flavor and add half cup of water to adjust the curry consistency. Cover it with a lid and cook the masala for 3 to 4 minutes in low heat. You can see the oil separates out of the masala, so it's time we can add our mashed dal and rajma. Add half cup of hot water and mash the dal and rajma well. You can do this by using a potato masher also. Combine it well along with the masala. Let's add 1 cup of water and adjust the consistency. The dal is well combined along with masala and it smells so good. The name dal makhani literally means dal is cooked in makhani, that is butter. In this healthy version recipe, to cut down on the fat, I am adding only oil. If you want restaurant style taste, you can add generous amount of butter and cream. Stir in few coriander leaves and cover and cook in low heat for another 30 minutes to get the best flavors of this dal. It makes the dal super creamy and delicious. Stir once in a while to avoid dal sticking to the bottom of the pan. After 30 minutes, you can see the dal has turned creamy and flavorful. At this stage, you can add 2 tablespoons of cream or butter for rich flavor. For seasoning, I am heating 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 tablespoon of finely grated garlic. Fry until the garlic turns lightly brown. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder and fry well. Turn off the heat and finally add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let's add the seasonings to our masala. Garnish with coriander leaves and mix well. Let the masala cook in low heat for another 5 minutes. As you can see, the preparation is easy and it needs only few ingredients, but only thing is you can't prepare it in a hurry as the lentils need to be slow cooked. That's it, our flavorful thick creamy dal makhani is ready. You can garnish dal makhani with cream or butter before serving. Enjoy hot along with your favorite rotis. In this healthy version, even without the addition of lots of butter and cream, it tastes absolutely rich and flavorful. It pairs up great with butter roti, naan, chapati or tandoori rotis, even with jeera rice. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share the recipe with your friends. You can also follow me in Facebook and Instagram to see what's latest in my kitchen. So guys, do give it a try once. I'm sure you're going to love it. For the list of ingredients and measurements, please see the description box below. And if you enjoyed this healthy recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more healthy, easy and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. Until I meet you all with the next healthy recipe, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.